Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DropBox. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about DropBox. In this page here of app info you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.